Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the bunny mascot from NewJeans. So let's get started. To draw this cute bunny, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a small little curve. And then we're going to connect it at the bottom with a rounded off V for the little nose. Then from there, now we have the center part. We're going to come down right here and we're going to draw a curve around. So let's come right here and just going to draw a curve. Goes all the way around and above the nose. There. Then from there we're going to draw the other side. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw another curve that comes out a little bit more. And about right here I'll just cut it off with a big curve for a cheek. Is a little bit wider. There. Okay, so then from there, right in this area right here, we're going to draw a little curve to complete the mouth. And I'll just shade it in. There. And then so now that we have that little shape in, we're going to draw the eyes. So let's come in this area right here in between this curve and say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there I'm going to draw this big curve that comes up for the eyes. So nice round curve and then bring it down. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. So it's at an angle, just remember that. And then in this area right here, we're going to come in with another curve. And as we come to the bottom right here, just come in a little bit with a little notch and then complete it. And then inside is going to be a heart. Let's draw a heart inside. And shade everything else in. So just notice the heart is also at this angle. There, and then so two little lashes right here on the sides. Okay, so now to draw the other eye, we're going to come about right here in this curve, and we're just going to pop up a curve nice and high as well, and go up. But this eye is going to be a little bit shorter, so let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve about this wide, so I know how wide I'm going to make this eye and then connect. And let's come inside and draw the inside. So same thing like the other side. About here, we're going to come down, give it a little notch and complete it, and then a little heart. So this heart is more straight up and down. And then shade everything else in. There, I'll just make this a little bit higher. Okay, so definitely need to make some adjustments. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come to the side of the eye. That's the tricky part. So I'll give myself a little point right next to that eye. And we're going to draw a little cheek for our bunny. So we're going to come out for a cheek right here. And then we're going to bring it in. Right underneath the mouth. There. And then this part is going to go up nice and high, really high up. So let's go up for our bunny head. So about right here, we're going to go up. And just take a look. Step back and we're just going to keep going to about right here. There, and about that, and then we're going to just kind of imagine this curve coming through. If you're using a pencil, just finish off your curve. Because I'm using a Sharpie, I don't want to erase, I'm going to come into about right here and start my side of the bunny's head. So I'm going to come right here. So I'm just imagining this big dome, and about right here I'm just going to come out a little bit with some fur and a curve and bring it in. So just want this round, big round shape. So then come above the eye, almost forgot, just saw this. Need to draw a curve right here and here. There. And then little hashes too on this side. Forgetting all the little details. There. And let's come back in here before I forget to draw the whiskers. One here and then another here. And here. A little bit shorter on that side. Okay, so then now to draw these bunny ears. So I'm gonna come, let's bring this up a little bit more. So about in this space, about right here. I'm just gonna start and pop out these ears. Really long ears, and we're going to come out about right here and round it off. And bring it right back in. There. And then we're going to draw the inside. So it's going to curve in here and then come out and just kind of follow the shape of the ear that you drew and just bring it right back in. And I'll go ahead and shade this all in. So far seeing this bunny, it's just basically an outline, like a dark blue outline. But I'm just gonna make mine black, so I'll just shade this all in. There, one ear, and then we have another ear to go. So let's say about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and once again draw this big curve. Comes out, and about right here I'll bring it in. There. So hopefully I have that right. And it's a little complicated. We just want to stick these ears in here. Okay, so there, finally done with the head. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this in for the little neck, right underneath the nose. Bring a little curve in, and then we're going to start to draw the chest. Pop this out. You can do a little zigzag if you like. If you want to make it furry, you can just smooth it out. So there's a little curve here, and then on this side is going to be a hand. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve that comes out. About right here. Round it off and then bring it in. I should have tapered it in a little bit more, and then two little curves right there. There and in. Okay, so then the back side of the body would be about right here. And we're going to curve out. So just imagine this is the tummy area, and then we're just back and forth, back and forth. So let's bring this in, bring this out. So you still want to continue this curve coming out. And about right here, you can zigzag again if you like. Bring this in, and then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the thigh area here, this leg. And so it's like an ovalish shape, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. And whatever space you have left, just connect it. So then the other leg will be about right here. It's going to come out here and then say about right here. And just curve and bring it in. There. And then the other hand will come here. About in this area, and we're just going to curve out to about here and then bring it in. And a little detail right here, another curve, and then two curves right here. There. And then there's this little fur part right here, so just curve for some detail. And then now, let's see here, before I forget, let's draw the little bunny tail. So just 4 curves right here in the back. And then we're going to draw the feet. So they're basically skates. So right underneath here, we're going to draw this ovalish shape for this skate. So we're going to come down, do a curve, and just bring it up. So as if you're drawing a shoe. And then for some detail, the curve here. And we're going to give it a little outline. Shade this part in. And then the wheels. So 1 and another one. Curve inside. So that's one, and then the other one. So about right here. As if you're just drawing the shoe of the bunny. We're gonna come here. And about right there. And then just go ahead and connect it. And we have some details here we need to draw. So right about here and here. And a little outline. And shade this all in. There. And then with wheels, so about right here. Draw a circle. And another one. And then thicken it up. This wheel 1 and then another curve. For the back one, and same thing here. 1. And another one there. And let's see if I'm missing anything. That is pretty much it. It's just a little bit tricky to get this part up here with the ears, but hopefully I've helped you draw this cute little bunny mascot from the K-pop band NewJeans. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it and I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.